Ayan, so nakasabaybay tayo kay gold and yung bias nga natin is buy. So saan nga ba tayo nanggagaling dyan, no? Ayan, so all the way from here, ayan, 5158, dyan tayo nag-signal ng buy earlier this morning. So tuloy-tuloy siya targeting this 5190 levels since this is the resistance level. Ayan, so after that we waited and have a signal here right here again, no? Ayan, dito. Then targeting again the resistance levels. Then after that, yan, sabi natin doon sa group is that it will hit 5224. So ito right niya nga, no, 5224, sumobra lang ng konti, bumagsak, and then we signaled for another one, ayan, dito sa pullback sa mga MA natin. So what we are doing here is that we are following the trend. So sabi nga, diba, the trend is your friend. Ayan, so ayan, nagkaroon siya ng consolidation dito, and then obviously when the lower MAs hit above the higher MAs na EMA 21 and 50, and signal natin yan na it's reversing. Ayan. So kapag ka nagre-reverse and then sinusundan lang din talaga natin yung MA. So pag lumapag dyan sa itim, sa EMA 50, then good. Yan, tayo dyan, buy ulit tayo dyan because it's creating higher highs and higher lows. And ang bias talaga natin with the macro fundamentals is that gold will continue to be bullish today. So yesterday, ang signal natin was sell because of the inflation fears, no? But right now, nawala na yun kasi nag-pull back na talaga ng gusto si oil. Ayun, so balik na siya sa pagtaas due to that that fear eliminated, no? So meron tayong video dyan kung bakit ganun yung analysis natin, no? Bakit nakakabagsak ng gold yung pagtaas ng oil, especially kahit na nagkakaroon ng war. Yan. So dito, yan, nagawa natin is every time it hits the MAs, we buy, and it's an opportunity for us to buy. Ayan. So itong pink na to, ito yung 5190 na level natin. Ayan, yung 5190 level natin na nabasag niya, which is the 52. Ayan. So pagbasag niya, breakout, retest. This one is the retest. Then dyan tayo umentry, tuloy-tuloy. Ayan. So after that, we targeted 5224, and then hindi tayo nag-sell, no? We don't do sell pagka yung bias natin is buy. Yeah, so we just look for buying opportunities. Yeah, so again, I signaled here pagbagsak niya sa EMA 50, then nag-bounce siya dyan. So let's see kung matatarget nyo itong 5224, which is a very significant gain yan. Ayan, so from 5206 to 5224, it's quite big, no? So pag nabasag niyan, it may land here sa sakto sa 52. So kung mabasag niyo ulit yan, mabasag niyo to 5190, then we can assume that it will go back to the range trading, which is it will go back to the 5150 level. Ayan. So we are at the 1 minute time frame. We are scalping this. Okay. So on a higher time frame, this is 4-hour time frame. Ayan. So we have here, ayan, yung ating doji on an uptrend, doji, and then followed by a bearish engulfing, and then it went down. Sorry, it's not 4 hours, it's 5 minutes pala. Ayan. So as you can see here, di ba? Twice, even thrice. And if you look at it deeper, no, you know, many times it hits that level. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame para mas makita natin, no? That's how we analyze the market, gold, and we look for trading opportunities, entries, and exits with our technical analysis. But our bias will always be due to the fundamentals. So, kailangan medyo chismoso ka sa balita. Ayan. Okay, so multiple times ever since nag-start yung March, no? Ever since this drop, it went back up dyan sa area niyan. And even before, no? Didiretso natin, it's a ghost line. And, ayun nga, no? So, that's it, guys, no? So, balik tayo sa 1 minute time frame. It went down hard. Okay, bumalik siya dun sa level ng 5190, no? Nabasag niya. So, dito, ito, last threshold natin to. If yan mabasag niya, then we can just pack it up. Look for better opportunities tomorrow. Okay, this is our last signal for today. And yeah, so hindi pa tayo na SL kasi ang SL natin is 5190. Okay, bumalik siya sa entry level, guys. So matibay talaga, no? So trend is your friend, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, napakalaking gap kasi niyan. 4 times. Yeah, so let's see if it's going to be sustainable. If not, then pag ito nabasag niya, then we can expect that it may go down here 5188 or 5181 all the way to 5160 and 63. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.